Yung anak ko pala, sinampal siya ng... Hindi siya sinampal, hinampas. Hinampas ng kaklase niyang babae. Alam niyo ba kung bakit? See you... Wow! You're right. Congratulations!
Very good job.
See? We are happy, Beatrice. Only for that thing, we are already happy, no?
Very good job. Yeah, it's only.
It's very nice, Bea. See how you can make Mama and Papa happy?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Be careful. Papa cannot carry you, Bea.
Cannot carry you like. No, I can carry you.
Down.
Down, up, down, down.
Good morning. Hello, everyone. How's your day? Hello everyone, good morning and welcome to my channel. This is Jam from Portugal. So today, naihatid na natin yung ating anak. So it's already 10 a.m. So it's a bit free time. I'm gonna bake chocolate cake for my family. So tayo yung chocolate cake, day. So hindi na tayo nagbihis pambahay para naman maganda-ganda tingnan yung ating nakaano tayo. Iba ka, nag-get up, magbibideo, di ba? So yeah, galing tayo sa school nila. So yun, magbe-bake tayo ng chocolate cake. Yung anak ko pala, sinampal siya ng... Hindi siya sinampal, hinampas. Hinampas ng kaklase niyang babae. Alam niyo ba kung bakit? Kasi, meron siya kasing kaklase na gypsy ba? Alam niyo naman sila pag nanamit ang mga yun. Pag nanamit kasi yun, parang sobrang dikit sa katawan yun. Yung simula sa taas, labas yung normally nakikita ko sa kanila. Hindi yan nagja-judge ako. Base lang yun sa nakikita ko dito. Yung labas, yung dibdib. Tapos, fit na fit yun sa katawan. Kahit mataba sila, ganyan sila. Fit sa katawan. Tapos, yung above the knee ba normally, yung mga suot nila. So, yung isang anak nun, ikaklase ni Beatrice. Tapos, nung araw na yon, nakasuot nga, nalabas yung tiyan. Kasi ang hilig, nakita ko nga nung first grade 1 pa lang sila, hanggang dito yung suot, tapos naka-short pa. Tapos, nakita namin ang asawa ko, ano nga namin yun parang na-notice kagad namin. Bakit ganyan? Sa pagsabihan ng ina. Yung nakita namin, gano'n naman pala taga sila manamit. Tapos yun, tinawanan ni Beatrice. Alam yung anak namin. Anak namin, hindi yan, kasi, ang pananamit niyan, ang pananamit ng anak, ay base yung paano siya pinalaki ng magulang niya. So, if you want to show off your daughter at that age, isusuot nila pag lumaki sila. Wala na. Diba? So, yun, tinawanan siya ni Beatrice, kasi, labas nga yung chance, sinabihan siya ni Beatrice, oh, your tummy is out, something like that. In Portuguese, of course. Tapos, sinampas niya si Beatrice. Sinampas kasi Beatrice nagsumbong sa akin yung bata. Palagi ko kasi kinakausap yung anak namin Sinampas daw siya dito. Kasi nga daw, sabi ko nga, wag mo kasing pagtawanan. Kasi, normal lang sa kanila yan. Yung ganyang mga yung ganyang pananamit, yung ganun ba. So, yun. Pinagtawanan ng anak namin, nagalit siya kay Beatrice. Kasi, pinagtatawanan nga siya ni Beatrice. Yun, hinampas. Kaya huwag kayo mapakita. Nakasuot kayo na labas yung tiyan nyo kasi tatawanan kayo ng anak. Hindi naman kasi, diba? Depende naman yun sa tao. Kung gusto nyo talaga yan, wala naman tayo magagawa. It's your own discretion. Pero sa amin, yeah, as much as possible, din, yung mga suot-suot. Lalo na pag bata pa, train mo na ganyan yung suot. Naku. Anong kailangan ko ba? I need eggs, milk, vegetable oil. I need eggs. Kayo ba? Kayo agree kayo sa mga ganyang pananamit ng bata na bata pa lang? Labas-labas na yung tiyan. Depende naman yung sa nanay. Depende naman yung sa nanay. Kung talagang gusto nilang ganun, wala naman tayong magagawa. So, ito na yung ano natin. Ayan. Medyo concentrated yun kasi. So, we're gonna bake it na later. We're gonna bake it na when we reach the temperature and tuloy tayo sa ating mga trabaho bilang nanay. So, ganyan. So, just comment down below kung sang-ayon kayo sa mga anak na dinedress upan nyo, na lubalabas-labas yung tiyan ng mga anak ninyo. So, I don't know, because nowadays, di ba, alam niyo naman, sa internet. Tsaka, kawawa yung bata in the future pag nabully sila because of that. Di ba? Pero namang bagay din sa bata. Sino bang bata na hindi bagay yung pagdidress up? Pero yeah, we have to observe. Kasi tayong mga Pilipino di ba? Mahinhin tayo Mahinhin daw. So guys, we are going to pick up Beatrice. Ang sama ng panahon because the other day it was so hot and diba the other day pinabsent si Beatrice, tapos today it's from 32, tapos yung forecast yung 32 po, umabot ng 37 yun, 38, tapos today the forecast is 23, so it's already 4, pero now the temperature is 20. So ganyan po yan dito ang temperature, sudden low or high ng temperature. Kasi last week nag-low, tapos biglang tumaas, tapos bigla na naman nag-low ngayon. So ganyan. Mitsubishi So yeah, ang kita nyo yung cloudy sa labas, at saka kakaulan lang, ganun siya. So sunduin natin yung ating Unica Iha. So ganyan guys, tingnan nyo yung ano natin, yung weather natin. Look outside. Yan, ganyan ka great. Oo.
I saw him. And he stayed in his line. Very good. Blink and everything. And the
Oh, the BMW is not in the right.
You know what he's doing?
Oh, I thought he behave or he don't know.
I don't know.
Okay, and then overtake the truck.
Let him overtake the truck because I know where the truck is going.
Just me. Oh, the truck is going.
I already know. See?
What are you going to slow down? Oi,
He don't slow down nothing.
just go. The truck was blinking na.
Yeah.
He wants to overtake. My goodness me.
That's why I already let space because I know
People,
something will happen there.
O ganyan. So pag nag-overtake ka dyan, tapos yung truck pupunta din pala dun. Basta. Ganyan. So ganito po yung city natin dito. Ayan, ano na autumn na
Yeah.
yung bahay dyan, maganda yung location ng bahay dyan
Everything. Blue, black, gray, white.
Yeah. So ganyan, dito. So ano na, quarter.
I saw the camera as well. You get to it.
Really? So, for, how do you call that? 4:46 na. Umalis kami ng bahay 30 minutes before 5 para we have enough time. 15 minutes lang naman. Papunta drive dito, papunta sa school ni Beatrice. Nasa parking area na tayo. We have to wait a bit till medyo early pa. See? We arrived here 47 and then we only 49. And we only pick up Beatrice 59, 57. So we still have 5 to 10 minutes. 8 to 10 minutes. Antay muna kami dito sa loob ng car. Kasi pag tumayo ka doon, wala ka namang magawa. You don't have place to sit down there. So you have to go there when you only have to pick up the kid na lang. Which one?
There's a pink one too.
Pink one too.
It's on the front.
Come on here, Baba. Oh, he's tall now. Look, he reached. I don't know why he's gaining height.
Make
So,
it
yeah.
taller to suck you up.
So, what is the... Oh, more assignment. Diyos ko, God.
It's a purple book.
Just me. It's
This
okay.
is a Portuguese book.
Yeah, because we have to start it Friday because si Beatrice may absent. So, she has to do a lot. Oh, Linda. Oh, See you. Wow, you're right. Congratulations. Beatrice has a nice compliment on her notebook. Very good writing daw. Tingnan nyo, ha? Look at this. No, I will show you.
I'm gonna cry because you.
No, I'm not gonna cry, but I'm happy. I'm not crying. Look at yung ginagawa niya. What are you doing? You're cleaning up Mama eyes. Why? I'm not crying.
But you're crying.
Akala niya, hiniyak ako din, natuwa ako. Tingnan niyo. I will show Papa. Papa will be happy. Let's show Papa first. Papa.
You will shout wow.
Papa.
Wow!
Don't make... Should I change your shoes na, please? Woo! Change your shoes. Change. Ang kulit! You know, alam niyo, turuan niyo talaga yung anak niyo. Kasi si Beatrice, napaka-strict ko talaga. Tapos, before she go back to school, this week, pinractice ko talaga yung writing niya. In-explain ko sa kanya kung anong maganda tingnan. Papa, I will show you. Reaction of Papa. Open, open the book. What you will see there.
Plastic.
No. Open the complement of the teacher.
What are the copies?
Kul, det är toning. Yeah, you have. You have a nice writing. Very good.
She say, Mama, are you gonna cry?
Come here. Come here. Thank you, Vera. Very good job.
See? We are happy, Beatrice. Only for that thing, we are already happy, no?
Very good job. Yeah, that's all you.
It's very nice, Bea. See how you can make Mama and Papa happy? Simple things.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Be careful. Papa cannot carry you, Bea.
Cannot carry you like. A second carry.
Down.
Down, up, down, down.
Ganyan yung writing ni Beatrice. Ang ganda nga ng writing niya, ha?
Very good job.
But she's... Are you happy when you make Mama and Papa happy?
That was good.
Yeah.
That was a nice writing there. And if the teacher put that like that, have to frame it in the extra place to put it.
Beatrice! We will start already today because it's a lot for her to make it on weekend.
Start with the mathematics and
No. German. German daw, German.
I wish.
German.
When you will be on your room, I will make the German. Okay.
Beatrice, enough na. All things that happened, di ba? Oh, your laptop. Papa, can you check her laptop while I'm making food here? Chinarge namin yung laptop. Tapos, hindi daw Beatrice say that her laptop was not working. Nauuya sa bata, oy. Let me see, oy. Hindi ininom na naman yung yogurt drinks niya. Let me see what's inside. If she don't eat too. She don't eat the bread. She don't eat this one. Uy. Ang kinain niya lang ay paborito niya kasi to. Alam niyo yun? Okay lang kasi A naman. Yung crunch, siya, parang corn snacks. Ito yung paborito niya. Ito yung kinain niya. Pero yung snacks lang naman yun. Kasi sa morning, meron lang milk from school. Tapos yung lunch sa school din naman. Ako, ang nanay lang talaga, exaggerated sa mga pagkain. Baka magutom yung bata. So, ganyan. I will cook chicken for her. I will cook chicken for her po tomato. Kasi paborito yung tomato.
It don't have nothing to do with the charging of the battery. Yeah?
What is that?
The BIOS is asking for unblocking code.
Uy! So the BIOS is asking. It's not the charging. Naka-charge kasi yung niya. Okay, I was wondering why puri. Ang ganda namang pasalubong ni Beatrice sa school pag ganyan. Achievement ng nanay na yun. So, ano kayang feeling na nanay ko nung elementary valedictorian ako palagi, no? Valedictorian. Oh, yeah, yung kapatid ko na sinundan ko, valedictorian din yun ng elementary. Tapos, yung pangatlo, hindi siya valedictorian, pero nasa third yata yung pangatlo namin. Tapos, yung kapatid kong bunso, ganun din. So, yeah. So, anong feeling kaya, no? Mga nasa top yung mga anak nila. Ewan ko sa nanay ko. Anong feeling mo, Nay? Palagi yung sa stage, eh. Laging saka sa stage ba? Takot sa mga libon-libon, di ba? Proud ka sa parents ganyan. Dito walang ganyan. Dito po walang recognition. Pagtapos na yung klase, sabi lang, okay, tomorrow is the last day of the school. Tapos, last day of school. Ganun lang. Ganun lang, guys. Wala dito masyadong mga, kagaya sa atin na mag-celebrate. Wala yan dito. Iba dito sa kanila. Kaya masaya pa rin sa Pilipinas eh. Some simple, may simple step sa buhay natin. May celebration, iba sa atin. Dito walang ganyan. So, I'm making fried chicken for Beatrice. And then I will slice a tomato. And she will have rice. So, kami ng papa niya mag-bread lang kami. Kasi, nag-heavy meal na kami pag lunch. So, I bake cake, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo yung binake ko na cake. So, kasi na-miss ko yung mag-dessert. Na-miss ko talaga kumain ng chocolate cake. Yan, nagluto ako ng chocolate, nag-bake ako ng chocolate cake. Kaya napagod ako today. Sobrang pagod ko. Yun pala, nag-bake ako ng chocolate cake. Hindi lang kasi yung, pag nag-bake ka, ang daming, di ba wala kaming dishwasher naman. So, hugas-hugas is life. Pero okay lang naman, kaso lang nakakapagod lang talaga. Tapos, ang aga ko pang nagising. Diba? So, yan. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito po yung chocolate cake natin. Yan. Ito yung, kasi diba binilog ko pag-bake ko. So, ito yung walang frosting. Ito yung may frosting. Simple lang yan. Hindi yan matamis. Yan ang kagandahan pag ikaw po yung nag-bake. Tapos ito, hindi po yan caviar. Papaya seeds. I want to plant here. Kasi ang mahal ng papaya dito, nasa $4.99 per kilo. Pero kung may tanim ka, diba, baka mamunga. Lagay ko dyan sa ilalim. Ilalim ng bubo. Mga mamunga pa. Pero yung iba, kinakain namin. Kasi healthy pala to sa liver. So, kinakain namin mag-asawa. So, yan. Ganyan. Yung ating, yan. Ito yung ating pa-cake. Notice ko na naglalaro na. Ng kanyang Hot Wheels. Bata pa rin kay Papan. What are you playing, Bea? Yeah? BIOS. Enter unblocking code. What is the unblocking code?
It says contact your vendor. The one that sold this. Because I think the factory BIOS now blocks the computer for some reason.
So we have to go to school. We have to ask for that.
Let me see. I will talk to you.
Make a picture. Okay. Oh, BIOS pala yun. So Beatrice, what are you doing? Playing. You miss to play? Yeah? You miss to play her Hot Wheels.
Go move cars. I have to put another.
So, hayaan na nating maglaro. Hayaan natin maglaro kasi ang dami niyang assignments. Yun. Kawawa naman. Pero nakakatuwa, no? So, ganyan. Mga assignment ng bata. I mean, ganun yung reaction. Pero yung tubig today, hindi na ubos. 400 ml. What do you want to do? 400 ml left. So, yun. It's okay. Kahit pa paano, uminom. Kasi last time nung na ano yun, yung namalhan, Diyos ko, walang ininom na tubig. Yung bottle niya na maliit, wala man lang bawas. Hindi ininom din yung ganito na pinadala ko, hindi din ininom. Tapos, hindi din ininom yung milk sa school. Dati, nung araw na yun, Diyos ko God. Dinala niya sa bahay yung milk. Kaya yun. Bisit ako nung time na yun eh. So many assignments.
So much.
And there are more there on the table, ah. What are you going to do? You play now? Mama is still cooking for you. Wait lang. Can you bring it on the table, please? There. Sheesh! No, table in the living room, not in the dining room. You're going to play?
I want to see the Ferrari.
I want to see
You want to see it?
Oh. Bring it to my working room.
I hope it's not old. If it's old, I will be sad. I'm gonna stay here.
Yeah, I'm cooking. I will be here. You want tea? You only want to drink tea? Yeah? And chicken and rice, okay? What did you eat in school today? Huh? Yes, in the canteen.
Chicken, it was.
Chicken also? And the chicken.
Mama,
Do you have rice?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a favorite of Papa.
This one Nismo. It says here on the front Nismo.
Mm-mm.
In the wheel box it says Nismo.
Okay. You ready to start?
What's the Nissan Nismo?
Careful.
GTR.
What's your favorite car then?
All the Ferraris and all the Nissans, not the old ones.
Oh,
The
no.
old ones are pretty slow.
It's too slow to play. Ah, that's
It's
why.
too slow to drive.
Ah, really? So what is the fastest you drive there?
The fastest is the Senna. I like it. It's a McLaren Senna.
Mm-hmm.
It's a nice car, but you can make anything with it. Mommy, you like the music from here?
Yes. What music you like there?
It's a Mexican music. Huh?
Just
Huh?
wait though. Yeah? Is it working?
It worked.
Yeah, when you say wait, just wait. Just wait. Okay na? Mama will, turn off this
Mama,
one.
wait, Mama. You should see the Ferrari.
Should see the Ferrari.
Maybe she left it.
Because I'm preparing food, it's already 6, okay?
It
Can-
will be quickly.
Okay.
I hope what it will look like. A nice car,
I don't know.
but it's very expensive.
Mm-hmm.
It's like $1 million. Not this car.
599 Evolution.
Ferrari?
Yes. 599.
She wants to show me. What is that?
Oh,
599 XXX Evolution.
Mama, look.
And the exhaust is on the side.
Mama, look at the back.
Wow.
Like color lights.
So there's a place where you can iron clothes there on top.
Does it look nice, the face?
Yeah. So, boom.
I don't know.
You like it, Papa?
No.
Do you like the GTR in front? The screensaver? Of course. It's their screensaver, GTR.
Papa,
yes, but-
Papa, what are these here?
So guys, ituloy ko na tong namin. Ay, puko. Ituloy ko na ito yung pagkukunwari kong magluluto ako. And see you next vlog. Thank you for watching.